Well, hello there, friends. So here we are. Today we done did it. Okay, we're giving back the keys to our old rental. This used to be my old workshop right here. So this is where all the magic used to happen. But now, as you know, if you've been watching my channel, we're moving to the new video ranch. Okay, so this here used to be, this is what used to be my office right over here in the corner. So everything's empty. Today we removed the first stuff out. So now we have independence. We're gonna go out and we're gonna hit the big time now, right? So this is gonna be another really short video. So just hang in there to the end, okay? Because it really helps me out. Well, here we are, another end of a very long day. So it's already dark outside. We've been working all hard again all day. So we turned in the keys to the old building to the landlord. No more renting. So that's what I'm trying to do, is trying to get some financial security here by owning our own place. So anyway, as you can see, the place is a huge mess because we really just had to empty out the old building. So I figured I could just stack everything in here, and over time I can put everything in its place. But right now I'm like buried. And so here we go. So now would be a really good time to hit that like button. So like. It helps me out and it helps other people out too, because it helps them to find my videos. Thank you. So this is what my smoking hot wife calls all my junk. She says, yeah, where are we going to put all your junk, right? Well, you know, that's just the way it is, isn't it? So got a lot of work ahead of me still. So I haven't had income here for about a month and a half because of this move. But we're going to get it done, aren't we? Just for Mr. Poodles and Miss Nibbles, the Wonder Dog. I've got an open sign I got to put up. That way my customers know that I'm open. And as you can see, I still have work, right? I still got to insulate and put drywall and finish up my electrical. And you know, I'm like bare bones electrical right now, but I'm getting to it. More outlets and switches and stuff like that to get done. So one of the first things I did, because these are fragile, is I put up some of my model airplanes here. So you can see that bike there is 8 feet long, and that F-35 jet there is 6 feet long. So those are big airplanes. So this is going to be my office here. And on this wall here is where I'm going to end up putting my video surveillance. There's a big window behind that piece of vinyl that I'm using as a curtain. Ha ha ha. Same thing there. So, a lot of work to do. Oh, yeah, there's my hexagon light. Can't wait to see that thing turn on, huh? In a future video, I'm sure. Believe it or not, my sewing table is under that junk. Junk with a K. So, that's where a lot of my future videos are going to be held, right there. You'll see. I promise. So I realized I need to make a video tonight, but there's no hard drive. So I remember it's in one of these boxes here someplace. I started digging through it and I did find it. I'm not doing this for theatrics, but it was in the box and I found it right here. I can make a video for y'all. For y'all. We're here in Texas, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna hook that up so I can make a video. Let's see. There we go. Got the old trackball ready to go. So we had a late dinner, not sponsored. Okay. Oh, I got a big TV here in the way. That's for our video surveillance. I gotta move it. It's kind of the story of my life here for the last weeks, is move something, move it out of the way to get to something, then move it again later because there's something else that would probably be behind it that I have to get to. Everything's falling over here. Okay. Getting it figured out. Okay, so we got all my videos. I got my hard drive there all hooked up. So I'm gonna fire up the old DaVinci right here. Usually takes a minute or so. It's gonna be a late night. So you know what I gotta do is first I gotta make this video. Then I have to go on DaVinci here and I have to do the editing. So depending on when you see this video, it could be years into the future. But what I'm using right now is version 19. Maybe later on it'll be a lot more than that. So we got the DaVinci going up. And look at all those past videos that I've made for you all. Okay. What was that? A ghost? Okay, so we'll start a new project here. So I'm going to save it. Let's see, what are we going to call this one? Something about made the move, huh? Made the move. Okay, we'll save that one. Okay, now hit the edit button. So the reason I say that it's going to take so long is because first I have to edit the video here. So I have to edit the video. After I'm done editing, I have to render the video. After I render the video, I have to post it and upload it onto YouTube. And then I get to do all the descriptions and keywords and links and all that stuff. Got to do all that tonight. So it's probably going to be about 1 o'clock by the time I'm done. So this is how it goes. I find out, okay, start the video right here, I guess. So get rid of that. What does that sound like there? Hello there, friends. So here we are today. Hey, that's me. Okay, we're giving back the keys to our old rental. This used to be my old workshop right here. So this is where all the magic used to happen. But now, as you know, if you've been watching my channel, we're moving to the new video ranch. Okay, so this here used to... So if you've been following me, you know that I've been a really busy guy. So between running a business, building a building for my new business, and making YouTube videos for y'all, there goes the Texas. So anyway, now you can understand why I'm so busy. I don't have a free minute. A lot of people, they'll comment me or email me and they'll ask me if I could do their work, like they're from New York or from Minnesota or from Oregon. And they're like, can you work on my car? And I'm like, well, no, I can't. So that's why, because, you know, the locals here keep me very busy. So now you know, explained. So now you just saw me make the very same video that you are now watching. So until next time, we'll see ya.